pasabog, binanggit na may persons of interest doon po sa ginagawa ng investigation.
Yes, actually, katulad niya ng sinabi ko, hindi ko inaasahan na ganun ka-structured, no? Kasi yung unang dalawang testigo natin, talagang they testified to the veracity of the video. Pero itong testimony ni Director Matibag, kanyang ipinakita, pinagtahi niya lahat, no? At napatunayan natin, o napatunayan ng kanyang testimonya na merong ang kailangan niyang tignan ng mas malalim pa. Kailangan ang suriin yung kumbaga yung criminal intent, yung intent itself to carry out the threats against the president.
And ito na po kasi yung last na testigo for Article 4. Would you say din po na malakas itong article na ito?
Actually, kung ako tatanungin mo, yung itong article na to talaga ho, napaka-straightforward. The Vice President made threats against the President regardless of the context. That in itself is, sa tingin ko, is already an offense. For elected officials, it's already something that goes against our oath to protect and preserve the Constitution. And that being the case, the President being our head of state, a threat against the President is also a threat against national security. I think sa ganung paraan pa lang sa kanyang mga pahayag pa lang, may kailangan ng may pananagutan na ang pangalawang Pangulo.
Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Thank you. Thank you.